Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 3 of my birthday plant haul for August 2019. So my birthday is happening in a couple of days. I'm going to actually miss my birthday because I leave on the 17th in Los Angeles. I arrive in the Philippines on the 19th and my birthday is the 18th. So that means I don't age. I'm cheating this year. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you a really fun unboxing, and I was really worried because this plant was supposed to have arrived at my place 2 days ago. I have it now in my hands and I'm so glad because I am heading out of town tomorrow night to go on my big trip. So here it is. I'm really excited. I've been collecting philodendrons for quite some time now, and where my collection is at, I love collecting rare plant babies. I have a very rare philodendron that arrived in my hands just a couple minutes ago from Florida, and I'm really nervous to see what it looks like because it was supposed to have arrived here 2 days ago and the post office messed up. So let's go ahead and see how this person shipped this plant to me, and I am looking forward to see what it looks like. So okay, stuffed with some packaging, so that was very nice. It must maybe sew. Okay, so now that I have this out of the way, here it is. So this is a Philodendron pedodum quasifolium. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. And thanks for the ID tag. So I will go ahead and cherish this plant. I hope it looks pretty decent for arriving 2 days late coming from Florida. Like my camera died. My battery just gave out as soon as I was about to unwrap this plant. Okay, here it is. The suspense is over. Okay, more stuffing. Oh my goodness, here it is. So thumbs up the video for great pack. I've never seen a plant pack like this before. Oh my goodness, here it is. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited. Take a look at it. It is so beautiful. This was a very expensive purchase, so I look forward to see this plant baby growing on me. And I probably won't sell any parts of it unless it becomes really big like George. I've never seen this philodendron in person before, and when I seen it online, I had to pick it up. So let's take a look at what the condition of the plant looks like. I rarely do mail orders, but if there's a very rare plant baby that I'm looking for that I can't find in person, that's when I'll make a purchase. So very rare, very rare that I do plant orders. But here it is. Look at it. It is so stunning with the new unfurled leaf, and the plant is in really good condition. Interesting how the shape of the leaf here looks like my philodendron panda, and then these are like more detailed in the shape of the leaf. So I'll keep you guys posted. It's interesting that there's like one random leaf like this. Sound off down below if you have this particular philodendron in your collection. And I love collecting them. They're tropical plant babies, and philodendrons are so fun to collect, but plant life is very expensive, so this was another rare investment that I wanted to go ahead and invest in. I will eventually get a variegated Monstera deliciosa when I feel like the price in the plant is right, because nowadays for a small little cutting they're going for $200 and up, which is so crazy to think how plant life has grown over the last couple of years. But I've been known to do some crazy plant purchases, including this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little quick unboxing of one of my dream plants. I'm always constantly looking for new aroids, philodendrons to collect, and peperomias, tradescantias, all of that good stuff. I'm in love with anything that has roots. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. This is my 3rd birthday plant haul and my 1 online order for my birthday that I wanted to do for the channel and myself. So sound off down below. What do you think about this beautiful plant baby? Do you have anything like this? Or do you collect philodendrons? Do you have this particular plant baby? Sound off in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoy seeing this quick little unboxing. Very short video, but I wanted to get this plant in my hands before I head out of the country. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching me do unboxings, which I rarely do on the channel because I don't order plants online, leave me a comment down below, and also let me know if you also do plant mail orders for your collection. I know a lot of you that reach out to me don't have plants in your area, and I'm happy to ship out any plants to you in my collection as long as it doesn't hurt the mother plant. So hope you guys enjoy seeing me get my new plant baby for my birthday in the mail. This is so exciting, and I love having like milestone plant babies to help me remember certain anniversaries. So this is my birthday plant for summer 2019. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe, support the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified on my daily uploads. I'll go ahead and resume daily uploads when I'm back in the Philippines, which will probably be including this video as well. So I'll see you guys very soon. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California, and hopefully the next video following after this is going to be in the Philippines. Bye!